What's up, OMG Nation? You know what? I don't understand. Look at this truck over here to the left of me. So to me, obvious, hold on, let me get neutral. Obvious big muscle truck. But those rims on that thing just look like they would disintegrate if they hit anything other than flat road. I don't know, you guys tell me. Do you guys have a truck that has wheels like that on it? They just don't look very sturdy to me. I mean, they got some spikes maybe sticking out of the hub, it looks like from here. I mean, that might hurt, you know, if you went up and fell into it or something. Anyways, it's Saturday morning. It feels great outside. Just kidding, it's 50 degrees outside. It's cold. I think it feels more like it's 45, but I decided not to wear my non-insulated leather gloves, and I was in Tractor Supply Company the other day and I saw these gloves right here and they were clearanced out for like 10 bucks or something. I was like, you know what, I'll just get these and see if they keep my hands warm on those super cold days. Sometimes I get a little bit tired of having cold hands. I hope everyone had a phenomenal Thanksgiving. We had our Thanksgiving dinner, Mrs. OMG and the boy, but we did not have a traditional Thanksgiving dinner. Did I say traditional or traditional? I meant traditional. Now I don't even know how to pronounce the word. Traditional. There we go. We did not have a traditional Thanksgiving dinner. We had tamales, tacos, chips, and salsa. And there's two reasons for that. One reason, I don't know how many of you guys know it, I am Hispanic. One of my parents is Hispanic, and the other one is good old-fashioned Tennessee redneck. So I got a little bit of both. I'm a Hispanic redneck. I waited until the last minute. I told Mrs. OMG, hey, let's not cook anything this year. Let's order something from this company down the road that makes these Thanksgiving. It's a local company, makes this Thanksgiving meals. So I went in there the week of Thanksgiving. It turns out I know the general manager of the place, and I was talking to him, and he just said, Ryan, bro, you should have come and talked to me 2 weeks ago. We cut our order, and we're so overloaded, we cut our orders off last week. And I get it, you know, no big deal. And I said, oh, well, okay, I guess I know for next year. Well, so we went down to the local Mexican restaurant right down the road, El Sombrero, and I told those guys what I was looking for. And I said, can you make me turkey tamales? And he goes, he said, no, but I can make you chicken. And I said, that'll work, baby. So we ended up doing tamales and a few pork tamales, steak tacos, and we put everything out. And of course the boy says, I want french fries. What the? No, sir. Ooh, look at that. Texas. I mean, did I just say what is wrong with me? I just literally looked at that license plate, and it's obvious it's a Florida license plate, and I just said, ooh, look at that. Texas. Anyways, that happens. Maybe my head's cold and my brain's cold. I'm gonna make a couple stops today. I gotta run up to Moonshine and see how much a service is for my bike. It's about that time again. I also gotta put in my mileage for the haul chapter. I'm doing those two things today. All right. I'll be back in a momento. All right, is this rolling? Yeah. So I had to go in and check to see how much my service was going to be and what fluids I should do. Well, I'm just going to change every fluid on my bike. In the grand scheme of things, it wasn't that bad as far as price wise. We'll see what it looks like whenever I drop it off. So I'm gonna go. I didn't want to drop it off today, I just wanted to get a price on it today. All right, this guy's riding real slow and I want to get over. There we go. She's talking on the phone, that's why. Look, if you're gonna talk on something, talk on a GoPro where you don't have to touch it. Just chatting on the phone. That's illegal now in the state of Tennessee, by the way. It's a whopping $50 ticket. I don't know what it goes. I can't remember what it goes up. I believe it goes up on the second ticket or something. I'm kind of hungry. I just realized that my bag is open, my swing arm bag. I had to go over here and shut it. Hopefully I didn't lose my hat. Nope. That would be disappointing, but I would sure enough try to go back and get it if I lost it. I don't know about these gloves, they're kind of bulky, but they do have a lot of insulation in them and my hands are warm. They were cheap. I don't imagine they'd be very protective. I can't even get this thing on. What the heck? There we go. All right, let's get back on our quest. So I'm sitting here thinking, what can I eat? And I'm thinking I need something good, something that tastes good, something nutritional, something not too expensive. And the first thing that pops in my head was ice cream. What's wrong with me? What does this guy have hanging from his... Oh, 2 nuts. 2 big old rusty nuts. Interesting. Oh, I need gas. I can make it. Famous last words. I'm thinking about going up to this little burger joint up the road in downtown Franklin. They have probably one of the best burgers I've ever had in my life. And I'm just talking about a pure burger, not a bunch of extra added crap into it to make the burger taste better. If you just get their burger with tomato and lettuce, their burger is good. But I believe they use local farm raised beef. That may explain a lot. There not being a lot of chemicals in the food. I tell you what, if you ever guys get into a position where you stop eating food that's laced with a bunch of chemicals and you get back to the actual pure taste of the food, boy, it tastes amazing. Still rolling pretty good. My fingers aren't cold. I have on my first manufactured jacket right here. It's got that zip out liner in it. I'm wearing, actually these are first manufactured chaps right here, and I'm wearing those as well. I'm going to do a review on these later. I'm going to put some time in on them in different temperatures. Right now they have a zip out liner as well. Right now I've got the wool liner in, so maybe I'll do a review after I get through winter, and then I'll do another one in the summer. I think I'll put that on my calendar just to let you know how they feel in the winter time, how they feel in the summertime. It's a little cold today, so I decided that I'd wear my heated socks, but I don't have a battery in them. And then I have on long johns, pair of jeans, and just these chaps with the wool liner. What's going on over here? Well, they just keep widening the road. The road's going to be in the front yard. I mean, there's just going to be a road and a porch for these people. It's terrible. I know one little boy that'll be upset if he finds out that I went and had a burger without him. And believe me, he watches all of these, so he's not going to be happy when he sees it. All right, let's see. So, the American Tap House, Americana Tap House. That's all right. I never claimed to be too smart. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys, that Americana Tap House, oh my gosh, that burger does not disappoint. If you are ever in Franklin, you guys have to check this place out, man. It just does not disappoint anytime. And I feel like, what am I riding on here? Okay, in the grand scheme of things, as far as a burger goes, it is one of the better burgers that I've had in a very long time. All right, let's see. So we are getting ready for Christmas time right here in Franklin. Look at that tree. I'll have to come up here at night and show you what this tree looks like and the downtown square looks like at night. There's your boy Chip sitting up there. Look at that. The tree is taller than Chip. I feel like maybe I need to get out and do some cardio today. This belly's getting a little out of control on me. Come on. I don't want to put my feet down. Come on. Let's keep them going. Fire truck. Yep, we're going down. As soon as I saw the fire truck. Look, there's my buddy Brandon's retail location for Twine. What are these people doing? There's Twine Graphics retail location right over there. Twine is the one that made Brandon over there at Twine. They're the ones that made my my OMG MOTO logo. Their links in the description. You guys can check them out if you need any. If you have any logo needs or That little Franklin hat that I wear all the time, I bought that from them as well. There's some good dudes over there at Twine. Very talented people. They actually this year made the Hog Chapter patch for our Hog Chapter 2715 electric bicycles. You know, I don't know. It seems like to me if you're on a bicycle, you need to do the work. But this is also coming from a dude that's sitting on a Harley and letting the Harley do the work. So take that with a grain of salt. Alright guys, that's going to be about it for today in my errand running. Today's episode wasn't about much, just me getting out of the house. The sun is out and it feels great. I believe, I should have checked the temperature, but I believe it's a little, feels like it's higher than 50 degrees now. Maybe we're at about 54. But I still feel pretty, try not to run over these potholes, these manhole covers. I still feel pretty great out here. I feel comfortable. These non-motorcycle gloves, I don't know, man. I'll just have to see how they go. You know, it's not cold here very long. Like I said, they were only 10 bucks. I don't think they're waterproof, but who the heck wants to be out in the cold while it's raining? Crazy folks, that's who. If you put down in the comment section that you get out in the cold and temperatures below 50, just also put one of the crazy people. How about that? Hashtag one of the crazy people. Hey, that guy's got some firewood for sale. Yeah, I had a bunch of that and I gave it all away, brother, for free. I want to remind everybody, also down in the description, I have Revzilla links. Christmas is coming up. If you guys want to support my channel, I would truly appreciate it. Just click that Revzilla link. I am a Revzilla affiliate. It will not cost you any extra money clicking that link, but I would be appreciative of it. And like I've said a million times, I truly appreciate each and every single one of you taking the time out of your day to watch this channel. If you have not already, I ask that you please consider subscribing, maybe even hitting that like button if you like my content. And don't forget, by subscribing, you can become a part of the OMG Nation. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look, I've got... Oh, stall.